If you liked the video, then please give it a like, and please consider supporting me on Patreon. Wow, it's been a long while since I've uploaded one of these videos, but that doesn't mean I've not been busy. So this latest custom is of Blue Beetle. No, not that one. Yep, that Blue Beetle. Specifically the Jaime Reyes version. The base body I used was an Infinity War Iron Man Funko Pop, and I completely took the figure apart and resculpted the chest in order to look more like Blue Beetle. Then I started to slowly put the figure back together again, except for the cannon arm. I found out the cannon piece was removable from the rest of the arm, so I took that off and just sculpted on the cannon arm that Blue Beetle has in the comics. The head was just a DIY Funko Pop head, and I just gave it a full repaint. After completely resculpting the body, as well as the shoulder pads and arms, I repainted the figure in that same colour scheme as the head. As for the wings, I took the wings of a Ant-Man and the Wasp Funko Pop. I thickened out the peg because it was too small to fit in the Iron Man body. I also filled in the plug socket with Milliput. And once the Milliput dried on both of them, I glued them together and I painted the wings a light blue. And there you have it. The Blue Beetle. If you like this custom, it's currently available on my Etsy store for anyone who's interested in buying it. Also, if you'd like your own custom Funko Pop, then please visit my Etsy store at Warrior Custom Figures to see how you can get your own Funko Pop commission. If you like this video, then please give it a like and share it in order to let me know that you're interested in my content, and also please subscribe for more videos. I'm also on Instagram, so please follow it at Warrior Custom Figures to see what I currently have in the works. And if you're feeling extra generous, then please support me on Patreon. That's the end of the video, and I bid you a good day.